Hello, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Wednesday, November 25th, and we're going to talk about the grain markets here in the next couple of minutes. Okay, first chart of corn here I put in front of you. You can see the corn chart trending higher. My 10-year-old nephew would say, gee, Uncle Steve, this chart is moving higher. So these row crop charts look really, really good, and I think it's going to continue. You do have managed funds long here, just huge, giant positions in both soybeans and corn, so we need to be aware of that. There's more current corn purchases down the road here. China's rumored to be sniffing around for U.S. corn, so this is a good story. Again, with China's hog herd going up 30, 40, 50%, the demand for corn and soybean meal really impressive. So I really think this is gonna continue here. Okay, so we also getting optimism here for a brisk post-pandemic economic recovery as vaccines become widely available. So this is a positive. We're getting a big lift from the stock market here, and the stock market lifts all boats going higher here. And so we'll talk about a little rebalancing in the equities here in 1 minute time. So the soybean chart, same kind of chart, very, very stout here, going higher, trending higher. Soybean crush rates in China and USA just really, really great. Friday, you're going to get a big soybean export number. Friday, we are open for a half a day, and it just looks like this whole China demand scenario is going to be the focal point here moving forward. Again, there's rumors of China cancellations of soybean purchases, so we need to all be on our toes about that. China notorious for announcing cancellations and coming in and buying U.S. soybeans at lower prices here. USDA December crop report, it's likely going to show lower U.S. soybean stocks again, and some analysts will say the Chinese are going to buy our soybean inventory right down the pipeline supply like they used to. So I mentioned the end of the year, there's widely anticipated end-of-year equity rebalancing. J.P. Morgan says there's $300 billion that's going to move from stocks to bonds, and maybe some of this money is going to float into commodities. So interesting, and keep in mind commodities are a smaller market, and the money can move commodities pretty darn good. So money's looking for a home. Interest rates are zero. Look for commodities to pick up some of this investment, some of this money flowing into commodities. The weather's positive here for South America, and again, December, January is going to be just really important here for Brazil and Argentina, and we'll be talking about that. Okay, we got a full day today. It's Wednesday. We're closed on Thursday, and then we'll reopen Friday morning, 8:30 a.m. Central Standard Time for a half-day session. And let's all have an excellent weekend and a happy and safe Thanksgiving.